What are we doing today?
Making this thing.
We're doing the poppin cooking thing. The sushi.
Hooray.
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 Okay.
Oink oink.
So, this is the best angle you're gonna get.
Good.
It's so bad.
It's not a bad angle.
Okay, so this is the set.
Is this time now?
These are the instructions. It's not.
Okay.
Should it be?
No.
And then here's the packaging. We gotta use this, so you have to cut it properly. Here. Jesus Christ, it's fast. Okay, so you open it and you cut it. You wanna cut it or? Yeah, I'm better at cutting.
Yeah, you are. Way better.
I've seen the pictures in our scrapbook.
I tried.
I can tell you tried.
I'm gonna cry it. I'm gonna cry and it's gonna ruin the face mask.
This is the rice. This is what is this? This is the instructions. Okay, so this is the rice. This is the tamago. This is the tuna. This is the roe. What is this?
This is two.
What is this?
Doesn't say there.
Oh, I think this is. Oh my god! Wait, I can't read. I want my glasses. Or should we watch an English video? Oh,
That
here.
is in English.
It's in Japanese. Or wait.
It's
Okay,
there.
so we have this. Then we have this. This. Then what is this?
You should watch a newer video.
Yeah, let's watch a new one. Not my childhood video. Sorry. This one is new.
Yeah, it's newer.
It's the same kit, right? It looks the same.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, it's the same. Okay. This is the seaweed.
Oh yeah, it's the same. Supposed to cut this.
You watch, yeah.
Okay. Okay, so we put water in this thing until it's like full.
Let's watch the whole thing and then let's do it. And then let's keep watching it while we do it, yeah?
Okay.
Or do you want to, like, follow in?
Let's watch first.
Oh my goodness, it's not the time!
Okay.
It has to be perfect for my boyfriend.
I still like it either way. Doesn't have to be.
I actually cannot see shit, but like, an attempt was made.
Oh wait.
Why?
Oh. Okay.
Oh my god, bruh. It didn't cut the same time, bruh. I'm gonna cry. I'm sorry if it's ugly.
It's not ugly. It could never be ugly.
How much was this in Japan?
Like 178 yen.
What about in pesos?
In pesos, that's like less than 100 pesos.
This is like 500 here.
Really?
Uh-huh.
I got that for less than 100.
Okay, so I cut it. What do we do now? Wait, how else do I cut it? Like just like this? Or do I cut it like whole? Oh, I cut it in the middle too.
Yeah. You have to cut like both sides, I think. Or I don't know. Oh yeah. Did you cut both sides now?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Oh wait.
What? Like that, right? It is.
It didn't look like it.
What do you mean?
Okay, wait.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, I'm doing it right.
Oh yeah. Okay.
Then we tape this down. But this for later.
Okay.
So. Okay. Start. What did you say to do?
Put the water in here until it's full. Well, that mold is full at least.
This one.
Yeah.
Do you want to do it or do you?
Okay. Trying to get as much as possible.
Let me.
Okay. Oh wow.
No.
Hmm?
Do it.
You know what? I'll just do it like this.
Yay. Is it full? I can't see shit.
I can't tell.
I don't think it's full yet. Just keep dropping. Okay, I think it's full. Wait, I don't know. Can you
More?
keep... I mean, you can remove it naman. Okay, wait, keep going. Wait, what does it look like? Like, was it like...
It just filled the mold.
Okay na.
Then you put all of that in there.
And then,
That's it. You just pour it.
and you mix it or you leave it?
I think you just leave it. Oh no, you mix it.
That's how you watch the whole thing for
I didn't like. I
Okay.
looked away when that was, you know.
So you cut it and now we're pouring it. Can you use the camera? Yeah. Bro.
That was so bad. I'm sorry.
Ganyan lang.
Then just mix it.
I think I didn't add. I don't know if we added enough water.
It's fine.
We can just add more. I mean,
Yeah.
it's just, this is the rice, right?
Mhm.
Yeah. The last time I made it, the rice was so dry.
It smells sweet.
I should not be doing this without my glass. Did your sister also get poppin cooking for herself?
Mhm. And for her friend, just, I think her friend's coming over today, and I think they made it.
Tell her you also meet with your girlfriend.
Of course.
There's still a lot of dry stuff. How do I mix that in? I'll bring the wet stuff here.
add a little bit more water. Actually, no, it's fine.
Okay, maybe like 2 drops.
Okay.
Like here.
Where?
Yeah, where the dry parts are. Because look at his, it's so wet. I guess he filled it until it was like super full.
Maybe.
Is your sister girly?
She doesn't want to be.
What is she?
I don't know. I can't tell.
You're so funny.
I don't think so.
Like compared to the girls you know.
Okay, I guess so.
Like she's not?
No, she is a little.
Why?
I don't know. The way she draws, I guess. But I don't know if that's like, if that even matters that much.
Why is this like wet? It's like a ball. Ours is dry. It's like Filipino rice versus Japanese rice. Waste no rice.
Anyways,
You can put it back for now. I feel bad for you holding all of that. Like,
No, it's
mangangalay ka.
no, it's
Oh
okay.
shit, the rice. Nor. Nor. Oh, it's in my eye. Oh, gee. Okay, it's fine. Yeah, it's really dry. When I blow it, there's still powder.
Okay, let's put more water then. Yeah, I don't think I put enough water.
I don't know. I can't see. Okay, I'm sorry.
Oh yeah, maybe no, it looked full. It looked full to
I guess
me.
he filled it like until like. Okay, so you know how there's like concave and convex, right?
Yeah.
I guess he filled it until it was convex and not concave. Okay, I think this is good.
Yeah, that's fine.
You can do the next one. Next thing.
Okay.
Is he doing that? He's putting it here. Like,
Yeah, and here too. Like I think he put it like until the line.
yeah. Okay, keep watching. So you're sure.
Orange one goes to the left.
Okay, so this is the tomato pattern. This is the tuna pattern. So I'm assuming it just follows that, right?
And then you mix it. Let's do it one by one. Let's not put water on both yet.
Yeah, I messed that up last time. I put too much water and then it became gel. Like, it was not solid.
Okay, let's put water.
You know what? I'm gonna put my glasses on. I want to witness this. Wait lang.
Okay.
Where are my glasses? Excuse me. Excuse me.
I'm sorry.
I can't see anything. Oh, it's here.
Has 20 minutes gone by yet?
Yeah. I think you should keep it.
I don't. Okay. Fine.
Why?
Let's do the orange one first.
Yellow. It is
I mean yellow.
Ro is colorblind.
My bad.
My boyfriend is colorblind real.
Okay, I think that's...
Wait, I can't.
There's floaty stuff in it.
We both have bad eyesight, okay? Take out the floaty stuff. Suck it
I
up.
think that's the rice.
The rice, I'm sorry. I couldn't see because Evan was spilling.
I didn't see it either. It's fine.
No, use this.
Oh. Oh yeah, 20 minutes have gone by.
Yeah, my timer's been done like twice na. No, keep yours on. Why?
Looks stupid.
No.
Looks stupid. Do I just throw this now?
No, I'm keeping this.
Okay. Stink.
I think
Excuse
you
me.
laughed a little too hard, but I'll keep this here. I'll pick that up when you're not around, so you don't think I'm a creep.
I never do.
Can you like flash a light on it or something?
Okay, hold on. I need to see how my hair looks
Oh my god,
first.
you look so good.
No, I don't.
I guess
Anyways.
it added like volume or something.
Yeah, because it pushed it up.
Okay.
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 Okay, I'll shine a light.
I think we need more water.
I think so too.
Can't see because it's so clear. How did he tell? I mean, we could remove it naman eh.
Yeah, we can remove it. I think that's fine. We can go a little over. Oh no, wait. No.
Is that okay na? Yeah, I think it's okay na.
Yeah,
It's touching
it's
the
okay
line.
na. Okay, now we put the yellow thing.
Yellow.
You want me to do it?
Yeah, you can do it.
Okay.
I'll do the red one.
Okay.
So kawaii.
Kawaii.
You gotta be fast. Can I mix it after you put it?
Okay.
Oh no, did I put too much water?
No, I don't think so. I just spread it out. Because like he made it concentrated in one place.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
To be fast because this solidifies. Oh shit.
I think we. You know what? It's fine. Let's not think about it.
I spilled some water.
Excuse me. I'm so sad we got that recorded.
I guess I leave it now. I think I put too much water.
I don't think you did. Yeah,
Okay,
that's fine.
I will stop mixing now because I heard that if you overmix it, it doesn't solidify.
Good.
I'm sorry.
I'd still eat it.
Okay. Can you wait before you move on? Can we scoop this up?
Why?
Cause I put it. I spilled it.
Oh, I didn't see. I have worse eyesight than you.
Okay. Okay, here you go. I wanna do the next one.
Okay. I think that's enough.
Where did the spoon go? Oh, it's
It's
here.
there. I think this is enough. Do you think this is enough? Or does it need a little more?
Wow, it's hard. Well, it depends.
I think.
Like 2 drops.
Okay.
Okay, is that good? Go ah!
Why?
If it's messed up, I will blame you.
Okay. Go lang.
Wow, he's confident.
No, I'm just normal to that. No, I'm kidding.
Bait. Okay, can you use the camera?
Okay. I'm just sucking up more water.
Mm.
Actually, no, I feel like it's fine.
Mm. Sorry, I gotta mix the rice.
Is it even okay? Do you plan on posting this?
Mm-hmm.
Good. I think there should have been a time lapse there.
I'll time lapse it. Like I found a separate app to time lapse it,
Wow.
so that I can keep the parts that I actually want, to hear, to see, and then like the other parts can be time lapse.
Smells good.
I think this is the grape one.
It does smell like grape.
Okay. I think I will let this solidify now. Oh
Okay.
no, it's not smooth. Don't solidify it.
So smells really good. I think I put too much water on the tamago.
No, it hardened na.
Oh, okay. Okay, so that's it for a while.
Okay, what's next? Yeah, okay. You can skip that part because we did.
What is this? Oh.
What? He's already making it? He's not making the first.
You wanna follow the video? Oh no. It's just he put the
preparing
rice already.
Okay.
Okay, wait.
We continue. Let it play now.
Put the blue one somewhere. Put the blue one in A. You have to put.
You sure? It's A. I can't see.
That's A. The larger one is A. Okay, he puts the blue one on.
Wait,
A.
you feel A until the line lang? Or like,
Yeah.
this is a line? Okay. And then B.
B is the orange.
It's these two? Is this the blue one?
Yeah, it's that one. I mean the cyan or something.
Okay.
Wait, hold it. Oh wait.
Or you want to fill the water? I fill the water.
Okay, you fill
Since
it.
you filled the water.
Yeah.
Where do I put it? A?
Yeah, A. Let's do A first.
Okay, I think this is enough. Wait. Is that enough?
Yeah, it's enough. Okay.
How does your face feel?
Refreshed.
Does it feel like a baby's butt? We took off our face masks, by the way. Can I mix it?
Wait. I don't think you have to.
Of course you have to.
Oh, you do. My bad. You can have a little bit of your saliva and just add the flavor.
I'm sorry that I keep licking the stuff. I won't na.
No, it's better if you do. It adds to the flavor.
Wala namang flavor laway ko unless you're saying I taste like weird.
Yeah, it doesn't taste like anything. But, you know. What's that even supposed to be?
It's the solution to
Oh.
make the salmon roe stuff.
Oh. Okay then.
Oh,
No, it's fine.
it tastes bad.
Okay, now we'll put water in the D.
You do it.
Shardy.
That's what you sound like.
Stop.
It's true though. What is this? I don't understand what this is supposed to be. Because there's a place for everything. Oh, it's a soy sauce.
I can't tell. I think I can't tell if I'm going over. I think
You
I
went
put
over
too much.
na.
Yeah. Oh wait, no, I wasn't supposed to do that.
I think like 1, 2. Yeah, like a little bit more. A little bit more. A little bit more. More. A little bit more. A
That's
little
fine.
more. Like 2 more. Okay. Actually, I think like 1 more. Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
Where the orange thing is. I want to be the one to drop the eggs in. So
Okay.
you do it. Go down. I think
mix
the
it.
tuna doesn't have enough water.
Sorry.
I don't. Oh, I think we don't have enough water. It's so liquidy for him. Whatever, we can add.
Yeah. Okay, you have to mix it. My leg hurts.
I'm sorry, Jay. I should have given you like a more comfortable place to do this with.
No, this is comfortable. I just have to switch.
Can you check the
I just have to sit
consistency?
differently.
It's more liquidy. Oh, it's kind of thick. I'll add like 1 drop. Is that okay?
Yeah. Oh, you put the orange stuff into the red stuff. I mean into the
Blue stuff.
blue stuff. Oh, that's for the ano. The orange bubbly thing. I don't know what you call that.
Salmon roe.
Yeah.
Or roe. She's just egg.
Mm,
Okay, I want to be the one to do it.
okay.
Film it.
Okay.
Cute. Film it cutely. I hope it works. I don't think ours is liquidy enough. Should I add like... I'm sorry.
No, it's okay.
Sorry if it messes it up.
It's okay. I don't mind.
Okay. Let's test it.
Okay.
It has to be smoother. Okay, a little bit more. Because... Shit, never mind. Okay. Whatever.
Okay.
Let's wing it. Okay, I gotta practice my dripping. Why is it noodly? It's gonna come out in noodle form.
No. Like just
No, look,
like good, like really slowly, or really lightly. I'll try. Give
Wait,
it
I
a-
wanna try.
Okay. See,
Okay,
like that,
fine.
like that.
Okay.
Don't push like hard.
Yeah, Jay, don't push hard. Can't fit in my pussy.
What?
Oh, we're gonna get this on camera.
Ule.
Okay. 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 One muna. Did it work?
Yeah. Yeah, it worked.
I'm gonna go really slow.
You can do it.
Cute!
Go, Azzy, go.
Cute! I hope they don't start melting together.
I don't think they will. Can it even be seen? Oh, you're on 10%.
No,
I'm gonna cry.
whatever. I don't care about my battery. Okay. Do you wanna try?
Okay, you film it.
I'll fill it up for you. That's too close.
Oh.
Ano ba yan? Ang daming air bubbles. Okay. Okay, I wanna see.
How's it taste?
I'm sorry. Just wanna see if it works. It worked!
Yippee!
Okay, go.
Okay, hold
Wait.
it.
I want you to like do it full.
Okay.
Oh shit. Okay, go.
Okay, hold
Here
the
you go.
phone.
Don't be tilted. Don't tilt. Okay. Wow! The tuna looks really dry.
It's fine. Try. Can you try the tamago? It smells like orange. Oh. Nice.
Why are you taking like 3 to 5 business days to make the tamago? I thought I was slow.
You are.
I hope this. Okay, good. It's separated. The water doesn't taste good. It tastes like sour.
Okay.
There's more. Let's let's try to get like all of this stuff. What's after this? Can you check?
Okay. After that, you put water into the mold again.
Which mold?
I mean the mold where you put rice. So you're supposed to transfer the rice onto the mat already, onto the plastic already, and put this onto the thing. What's this even supposed to be?
I think that's a seaweed for the
Oh.
sushi. Can I finish this?
Yeah. Get the plastic wrap.
Some of these are like really ugly because like we didn't have like enough to make full balls, so they're just like strips.
Good. Okay, prepare the plastic.
Wait, I want to make this super maayos. You want to put it here?
Okay.
Like for the final result, we'll put it here.
Okay. You're
Sorry.
supposed to put the
See
rice.
all my makeup. There, I gotta clean it.
Ouch. Ow.
have like tape. I want to tape it down
Okay.
so that it's like, I don't know, so that it's unmovable. Sit down. Why are you standing?
My legs.
I'm sorry, Dave. I wish I had a bigger room so I could give you like a super comfy, humongous, ginormous lazy boy chair.
Grabe naman.
Where's this? Okay. I'm gonna tape it down.
Okay. Oops. No.
What you looking at?
Your necklaces.
You like them?
Mm-hmm. I think they're cute.
Can you tell which ones I wear all the time?
None of them.
What do you mean?
None of them.
Hey, some of those I wear all the time.
I've never seen you wear any of these.
Okay. Okay.
Here.
I make this seaweed.
Yeah. You put it on like, I think here.
Okay. While I do that, you do the other one.
What other one? You need to put the rice onto the thing.
Keep watching the tutorial.
Okay. Yeah, I can't do anything, but I can't do anything. You have to put the rice onto the plastic.
Can you like finish the
Okay, fine.
Is this supposed to be just one seaweed thing?
Yeah, just one.
I thought I was supposed to make several.
Oh, I'm
wait.
supposed to transfer. Wait lang.
Where are you supposed to transfer them?
Onto this thing.
Do they turn out okay?
Yeah. They don't really react when they're out of the solution thing. You smell good. Okay, that's everything. We're supposed to cut the tamago and the tuna in half.
I want to do that.
Okay. After the soy sauce, it's just assembling now.
Okay.
Yippee.
Okay, what do we do now?
Put the rice, like roll them into balls. Roll it into
Should we have?
balls.
Do you want me to bring it to the floor?
Which one?
The plastic.
Nah.
Because then when we make the sushi, we'll have to transfer it there.
But you already taped it. Okay, fine.
I can untape it.
Okay, fine. It's hassle for you.
So thoughtful from the mom.
Of course.
You know what would be the worst is if like I ripped it. See, not that bad.
Okay.
There you go.
Okay, now we just cut these into several pieces. Like make it like Play-Doh.
I wiped my hands. Okay, I promise.
I know you're clean. I trust you.
I promise.
I know.
Tapos you're gonna see there's like hair in it.
It's deleted.
There is actually hair because I cut my hair here.
It's deleted.
Okay, how many pieces?
As many as you want, I guess. Like four. Or wait, no.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
One, yeah,
The
5. No,
rice.
6. There's 6 pieces.
Okay. Look at our rice. Our rice. The fuck? Why are there floaties in it? Six nga, diba?
Yeah, 6.
Okay. Where's the thing? I'm gonna use it to cut.
Yes.
Lick it.
Tastes like orange.
Anyways.
Nice. You can have 3 each.
Who said you're having any?
Okay, you can have all of it.
No.
No, you can
camera on your
really have all of it. Oh yeah, we need to make the soy sauce back.
You can make this one.
Okay.
I'll
Wait.
separate the rice.
I'm gonna make sure of something first. Oh yeah, we have to put water back
Where?
onto number 1.
Is that where the soy sauce is gonna go?
You can have extra, yeah, you can have extra like salmon roe if you want.
Why are you shorting? Stop it.
Oops, my bad.
Okay, 6. 6 balls, right?
Did you eat your burger?
No. I don't know. Mommy probably ate it.
Huh?
Mama probably ate it.
Why are you blaming your mom?
Because she eats stuff sometimes.
We're gonna eat soon, okay?
Are you gonna eat it? It's leftovers though.
Yeah, I guess.
I don't think these are gonna be equal.
It's fine. It doesn't really matter. You can have the big ones.
How the frickles did you make it 6? Oh, he made them really, really small.
Okay, I'll put the soy sauce now
Where?
onto the.
Okay.
I need the skizzers.
Where are they?
Got teleported into another dimension. It's like all my lost pens. Oh, you got it back.
Oh, you're what?
Just like all my other pens. They keep disappearing.
Hey, what happened to the pens I gave you?
Still in my bag, don't worry.
Are you excited for school?
No. But I'm excited to use them.
That's why I asked.
I'm only excited to use them because they're from you. I need the. Oh no.
A mixer?
Yeah.
Okay.
Or do I just use like this thing?
You can use a mixer.
Okay. I put too much water.
Oh, there's a freaking measuring thing, bro.
I didn't see. I'm sorry.
It's okay. I'm gonna use it.
Okay. Keep spilling it everywhere.
Are you nervous to eat with me?
No. No, not at all. I just have to make sure that I don't look like a caveman when I'm eating.
You have to make sure you don't look like you're afraid to eat with them.
Okay. And I'll just eat normally. Yeah, I put too much water. It's a bit clear. You know what? It's fine. You don't need to taste it.
Yeah, taste it. Daddy pops.
Sweet. It tastes sweet. Okay, I think this is fine. You can have it back.
I think these are not equal. I'm so OCD. This one's too big. Okay, I'm gonna make sure these are like equal. What's after this?
Just put the thing on the thing.
You're assembling them now?
Oh no.
Why?
Me, I'm assembling them.
I mean, we're assembling them now?
Yeah, we're assembling them now.
Okay, wait. Let me... Wait lang, I'm getting pressured.
No, okay, wait, I'll stop. No pressure. No pressure.
Are you happy?
Mm-hmm.
Do you have someone to do this with?
Yeah. I never imagined myself even doing this at all.
What?
Yes.
Like, are you disappointed?
No, I'm enjoying. I love this.
Define this.
I love spending time with you and doing this. I find this enjoyable, but I love it even more because it's with you. That's what I'm trying to say.
Stop, I'm getting kidding. I didn't want to eat dinner at home.
Sorry. I'm sorry.
There's gonna be a 24 chicken soon near my place, so we can eat there next time.
24 chicken.
Yeah.
Sounds familiar.
It's like a chicken spot, chicken wing spot, so we can eat there next time.
Oh, I think there's one near my place, but it's like near. It's like quite far. It's like a 5-minute drive, depending on the traffic. 5 to 10 minutes.
Oh I can eat that one.
No, I can eat it. I'd love to eat it.
We're assembling them na. Watch him assemble it. Wait! We're supposed to make 6?
Yeah.
I'm lost. Wait. How do I do this? Did I lose one? No, I just didn't make enough for 6.
It's okay,
God,
no
bro.
pressure. Okay. No pressure.
Thought it was finally done. I thought they were like already cute and stuff. Tapos you're gonna eat it and it's like salty.
No, I'd still eat it.
It's like salty and dusty tasting.
I'd still eat it.
Why?
Because we made it.
Why are you laughing at?
Cute.
What did I do?
you exist.
Okay, so you just cut it and put it on top, right?
Yeah.
And then
I don't know which one's half. I wanted. Oh, never mind. There's like a thing. That was way too easy to cut. I don't. You know what? It's fine.
Wait, we're not done yet. Okay,
Okay.
keep it like that kasi you're gonna have a hard time finding the cut again.
Okay. Slippery.
It's so small, I'm sorry. This one is like so
Okay.
tiny.
It's okay. Wait, give it to me. Give it to me. So slippery.
You put it like this
Yeah.
and you flip it over.
Yeah.
Flip it over!
It doesn't. What if it doesn't stay?
Wow!
Wow. Okay, next one. Okay, go.
Shit, wait. Ako ba? Oh my god, I got like 60 wipes. Whatever. Okay, which one?
Annie. He's so cute.
I am a sushi artist.
Yes, you are.
A sushi artist.
You're adorable.
Shoot this.
It's
Cat.
fine. I just don't eat it.
Oh, the red one is perfect. It's not
It is.
freaking standing. Stop. Why is it toppling over?
I don't know what to do with the salmon roll though. I'll just watch the video.
I'll
again.
do the salmon roll.
Okay.
Which one is better for salmon roll? Better.
I don't even know. Okay.
Okay, I will do. Oh shit. Okay, I will do the salmon roll.
You need to take a
Stop.
picture
Why is
of
this one lopsided? Calm your tits. Can you like stay put? Okay. Anyways. Okay, so the salmon roll. Can you film it? Oh my god! The bowl was blocking it the whole time.
I'm sorry.
Okay. So we do this. We wrap the sushi in seaweed.
Oh.
And then,
I did not mean to have a voice crack.
And then put in the middle. That. Like that. And then we put the salmon in. Oh shit, this seaweed. Put the salmon.
We can do it. Wow.
Wow. Ay! No! It's almost perfect.
How does it taste? Like orange?
Mm-hmm.
No, do you not like that?
Well, I'll put more so that it looks beefed up.
I don't know what to do with the last one though.
The last one is like, oh! Okay, so what we're supposed to do is get a little bit of this here. And then cut it off. Bruh. Put it here. Put it back. Then a little bit of the tuna too.
Oh.
Cut it up. You put it back. And then you chop it up. Like this. And then you do the same thing for the tamago.
Yeah, you're correct. Oh yeah. It's half. It's like chops. I mean pieces. I'm gonna show this to my sister.
Wait, I'm not done yet.
Okay.
I'm done with my masterpiece.
Huh?
Huh?
Oh, okay.
Why?
No, it's okay. Thursday we go back. Okay, let's not talk about it. Let's not talk about it.
What? What did you say? Wala, you can't go back. Say it na.
It's just like I was like, ano, no.
What did he say? Can I see?
Happy New Year, everyone. Start using into study mode today or tonight so that you won't experience system shock on Thursday when you go back to school.
Shut up. No, I'm joking.
Okay.
No, not you. Tapos,
I know that we are unplugged from academic tasks these past weeks. I hope it stays that way. And some of us might get a little getting used into the zone again. I hope you are ready for all the challenges this year. Should you have unsubmitted tasks or petas, please submit ASAP. Thank you, blah blah blah.
who said that?
Sir Blanco.
Bite naman.
I know. He's always like that.
Okay, that one's kind of a disaster. But like, whatever.
Tastes good. Your lava is not lavaing. Lavaing.
What the hell? Okay, anyways. Here are our creations. Wait. It's not, ano. Some of it fell up.
Okay, I'm showing this.
Here are our creations. The tamago, the tuna, tamago, tuna, roe, and then the roe. High five! He did that. My boyfriend is a chef.